Starting your own first LLC can be a little bit scary. I remember the first time when I was starting my own company, I heard amazing advice and I'm going to share it with you, and then I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can start your own LLC. I remember the advice that you as a business owner should focus on running the business, making money, generating revenue, and have the fuel in your company, and providing value to people. Not micromanaging accounting, administration, and also how to start the business, because you can get really lost in it. And that's also my recommendation for you to outsource as much as you can and don't really focus that much on goals, focus on systems, because those systems will get you to your goal. And that's what I did. I always like, okay, I want to build this. And then I completely forget about it and I start building systems. Okay, what do I need to do? Okay, how often I need to upload the video? How effective I can be on uploading the video? And that's how I'm thinking. So I get a little bit lost in my thoughts here, but I just want to share with you this. In this video, I will give you the step-by-step guide from the beginning, how you're gonna start LLC to finish. So without further ado, let's go. Here, the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You'll get right here to Inkfile. Inkfile is going to help us start our own LLC, and I'm going to explain you everything. So when you're going to be in Inkfile, you want to click here, Start My Business. Then you're going to have to choose the LLC here, and then you're going to have to choose the state. Let's say I'm going with Florida or Colorado. It doesn't really matter which one you're going to choose. So I can go Ohio. Choose your where you want to actually start your own LLC. When you're going to do it, you're going to find 3 packages. The silver, which is the cheapest one. Preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. This is amazing. But what I actually recommend is going with the gold package, only because in the gold package you're going to have covered everything. Not only what you have in silver, but also operating agreement, banking resolution, business tax consultation that they offer, so you will actually understand how the LLC works. Unlimited phone email support, which is also amazing. So in a gold package, they will cover everything for you. Then you get also options of a platinum one, and you're gonna have the business contract templates, expedited filling, domain name, business email, these 3 things as a bonus. So if you need the expedited filling, so your LLC will be filled faster, you can go with the platinum. But if you're gonna choose the gold version, you will have an option to fill your LLC again faster later in order. So I can simply click here gold and get the gold package. Then the first thing that we're going to add is a contact person. So let's say I'm going to add Marcus Tonelius, email, gmail.com, and then I'm going to add a phone number. So I will add a phone number and then street address. And you can always change the state if you want to. Okay, Ohio. And zip code. So you would simply in the beginning start choose a package and also choose a state in which you want to form your LLC, and then you're just gonna continue with the order. Now I will confirm the address, and the next step that we're gonna have is the state filling time. If you choose the gold package, you will have it right here that you can have the 4 weeks filling time or 3 business day filling time. So you choose which one suits you the best, and let's say I'm going to choose the 3 business days, and I will click next here. Then you have to choose an LLC name. So the use of most special characters in the company name is not permitted. And you can read it right here. So let's say I can make it Marketing Marcus, or choose the LLC name based on what you want. It can be whatever, but I really recommend if it's going to be name of your company that you're gonna use as a logo, whatever. Let's say I'm personally from Europe, and my company or my blog is going to called a European capitalist where I teach about finance. And that's what I would choose an LLC name, European capitalist, right? And then I would have designator here, like LLC, LTD, LTD, completely up to you. Then number of members, owners. You're going to choose how many owners and members you're going to have. Then you have to also fill them later in the video. Business purpose is like provide a brief description of business purpose. So let's say marketing services for small business owners. And now when we have the marketing services for small business owners, we're gonna also add the industry keyword. Understanding what industry you're in can be helpful when filling certain state forms. So in the industry keyword, I can simply write, let's say, marketing, because I'm in marketing. And then I can simply find the industry that I like here. So let's say marketing consulting services. But if you're in the construction, write here construction and find your own industry which suits you the best with the business purpose that you're going to do. Then you're going to have the company address information. Maybe you won't have it offered here, but what you can do is you can simply use your own address or use the professional business address that Inkfile would maintain privacy by using a commercial address. And you have options to use your own or professional business, completely up to you. And now I will simply choose the address and click next again. Then I'm going to have the premium service package here. So I see the business contract template and domain name, business email address. So these two things, as you can see, you're going to have also options to have 25 high quality legal documents. And here you're going to have, like, if you want to, you can upgrade to premium package, but you don't need to do that. Then I would click no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity or get upgrade and bonus. Then you're gonna have members. If you're representing a company, you would choose a company here and then you would fill everything here. But if you're representing as an individual, you would just simply add a name and address. And if you're gonna have multiple members in your company, you have to also choose the ownership, the percentage. And when you're gonna fill this out, click next. Now the next thing that you're gonna find here is the registered agent information. Registered agent receives and forwards important legal and tax correspondences on behalf of the company. So my recommendation is using it with Inkfile only because they're going to cover a lot of stuff for you that you don't need to actually do. And in that way, that's really amazing to choose the registered agent. So my recommendation is definitely have it by Inkfile, or if you want, you can act as your own. And now when you will have it, and when you will choose the Inkfile here, you can simply click next. First year is free, amazing, right? So tax identification number information here. So here, an employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply, like Inkfile will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. This option is the fast way to obtain it. Now, I'm for an individual and do not have a social security number. No, if yes, press yes. Then you choose a name and SSN number. Or if you have the second, you click right here. Then you can have the physical street address here that you would simply choose. And then you would press next. Now you get also option to start your own bank account with Bank of America, and someone like the specialist would contact you from their bank. But if you don't want, you don't have to do that. This is optional. So you can simply choose here not at this time, or yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me. And again, you can read here and see if you like it or no. And when you're gonna have it, just simply press next here. And then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation here. So you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to choose the proper IRS tax election. And this is something that I heavily recommend to have. And you will learn a lot about the LLC. And also it's in a gold and platinum package. So my recommendation is to use it. And then when you got it, press simply next here. Then you're gonna have the business licenses and permits. So we identify 2 licenses. And you can simply click here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me necessary applications. Again, you can do it by yourself, but my recommendation is have it with the Inkfile and they will do it for you. So again, less work for you. and you can actually focus on running the business and making money. Then you're gonna have the state of formation. This is the review order of everything that you need. Contact info, agent, company information, member info, like all the important things. And when you're gonna have it, press next. Billing information. So here you would add a first name, street address, card number, and everything. And when you're gonna have filled out everything, then you would simply press complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. And this is how you can easily start your own LLC in USA. See ya.